dinner time for the Condado Lagoon jungle cats. This is Roger. The others are hanging around. Lots of cats. Maria came and she started feeding them. She's gone somewhere. She'll be back in a minute. Where's the baby? Oh, there's the baby over there. He's bigger than he was, but he's still pretty small. Here are the other ones. Apparently what happens is suddenly these kittens appear and they appear to have been abandoned. And that's probably what happened to Roger. I mean, I saw Roger, he can't have been 6 weeks old, running from a dog in the lagoon in December of 2023. So now I guess here he is here. He doesn't eat when he's eating, that's good. I gave him food when I was sitting on the bench and he wouldn't eat anything, but now he is eating, that's good. Really distresses me when they don't eat anything. These are Maria's cats. She takes very good care of them. But she's not the only one that feeds them. She comes every evening. And there's 17 of them that have been neutered, mostly by the efforts of Maria. But there are other people that come and feed them in the morning. I've tried feeding them in the morning, but I just can't handle fighting off the pigeons. Every time you put down cat food, the pigeons decide they want it, which is distressing. So, well, I hope Maria's alright. Look at that. It looks like a full moon, but I don't think it is. There's going to be a, well, maybe it is, on the 11th of, looks pretty full, 11th of March. Full moon. Well, beautiful purple sky. This abandoned building that a lot of the cats hang out in. Across there, that used to be a very nice paddock. I guess it was a building before that. And something else is going up, which is going to be incredibly expensive and incredibly ugly and create a whole lot more traffic. Because, you know, in Puerto Rico there just aren't enough cars. We need more. When you have less than 2 cars per person for the island, you've got to do something about it. No, they're just hanging around, waiting. Okay. March 11th, 2025, at the Condado Lagoon, which is over there. Right through the trees is the lagoon. Can't see it here. Oh, Maria's there, she's talking to someone. Oh, there's the cat lady. Wonderful cat lady. Okay, there's Maria.
I don't like